people associate the Sámi culture and way of life with reindeer herding. Reindeer herding is the industry which has best succeeded in preserving the distinctness of the Sámi people and their language and culture. The reindeer herding is based on a nomadic culture, with the reindeer owners herding the animals on their natural migrations between winter and summer grazing lands. Reindeer herding is very demanding in terms of land area. The reindeer wander over huge areas of land to find sufficient food. The larger society's need for land in the areas where reindeer are herded has therefore often led to conflict with the reindeer herding industry.
Securing the pasture is the most important for our future as reindeer herding culture. Many other interests also want for use our pastures for other use, and the challenge is that other use don't disturb and destroy for us. We are the professionals or know to manage changes in nature, but can we manage the challenge created by man?
The Sámi are the only people who under Norwegian law are permitted to herd reindeer. The kind of reindeer herding that we know today arose early in the 17th century. Each reindeer owner has his own reindeer mark. The animals are marked with different cuts in the ears. Reindeer herding has experienced great changes during the past 30 years. Previously, the practice was to herd the reindeer on skis or on foot, whereas now modern and efficient means of transport are used. The Sámi have moved from a nomadic life to a life in permanent settlements. The reindeer herding industry in Norway is organized into different grazing districts.